I'm asking why we don't spend the days as struggle to survive. That's my fate. Sublime. When the puppy makes you think you love to find, then you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it every day. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view, letting you feel the fruit of your soul, and all the stress and pain is start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Try, never suck you from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified.